Alright, this is the first video, first tutorial on editing your site. I noticed that you have some WordPress themes installed already, so I'm under the assumption that you have some remote basic knowledge of WordPress, so I'm not really going to start with logging in and creating a user and all that stuff because I just under the impression that you're up to date on that. So however, if you're not up to date on that, there's tons of tutorials and videos out there on those basic items. I'm not going to cover those things. I'm not going to cover 101. I'm just going to work on editing your sites. So with that said, I'm going to start with your banner right here, your main banner on the home page. Let's dive right in. If we go to the admin section, we're going to see banner. Okay, and if I click all slides, I'm going to see the first two, just generic default ones that I've made. Okay, so let me click the Welcome to Sound 7 one. Really basic, really easy. Basically, the title is what we in the actual field is what goes here. This text section we see right here, obviously, is this. Okay, if we scroll down, we have a link. This is where you want this to link to. Right now, I just have it linking nowhere because these are just tests. But you want to link it to the contact page. You want it to link to Google. You want it to link to the blog. Whatever the case may be, you just got to copy and paste in that URL for it into that spot. I'll just add that in there just because. Let me go ahead and update it. Okay, next is the actual main image. And of course, that is the image that fills in the space right here. And that's just using the featured image block. So if this was not here right now, there would be a link that says set featured image. You click it, and you either select it from your computer, or you select it from your media library. Your media library being any images that you've already uploaded to that particular point. You can scroll through it, find it, and update it. Now, what I will mention and say is, just because I see this all the time, is a lot of pictures you get from photographers, they're 3,000 pixels, they're 4,000 pixels, they're 2,500 pixels. That is, for a whole, too large. If you got a couple here and there, okay, whatever, no big deal. My strong suggestion is to have an image that is no bigger than 1,200 pixels. That's just my suggestion, because the more pictures you load up, the slower your server's going to run, the slower your site's going to run, and you just can run into other kinds of issues. There are a ton of free applications out there that can size images for you if you want to go that route. Okay, that should do it for this particular tutorial.